Hello and welcome to this video. During this video, we are going to complete Section 5 of the pardon application. Section 5 is pretty much optional. However, I do recommend that you take the time to create an informative personal statement. Now, I'm not going to create a personal statement as an example. Instead, what I'm going to do is give you some general guidelines to follow. One of the things you want to do, you want to start with a brief overview of your past transgressions. You want to try to explain your state of mind during the time that your incident occurred. Additionally, you want to explain how your criminal record affects your life. Give concrete examples. Also, you want to highlight the fact that you successfully completed the terms of your sentence, if that is true in your particular case. If not, do not mention it. Also, you want to explain the types of self-improvement you completed to become a better person. For example, did you pursue individual counseling, rehabilitation, education, or training? One of the other things that the board is looking for is how do you give back to your community? So if you did give back to your community, explain how you did that. For instance, was it volunteering? Was it charity work? Another thing to address is, why are you seeking a pardon? And if granted the pardon, how would the decision change your life? So you want to make sure that you give different examples. And finally, list any other supportive information that you have that you can use within your personal statement to sway the Board of Pardons' decision to grant you a pardon. If you are still unsure on what other types of information should go inside of the personal statement, please revisit the How to Complete Section 5 of the PA Pardon application post. Once you have successfully completed your personal statement, if you need an additional Section 5 supplemental page, select this box right here and go to the Pennsylvania Board of Pardons website to download an additional page. If you are finished, leave the box unchecked and proceed to Section 6 and 7 of the PA Pardon application. So as I wrap up this video, please make sure you take your time completing the pardon application. Also, make sure you subscribe. Thank you and good luck.